I just got these in. I go through the GoPro batteries a lot, and that's why I don't buy the name brand ones, because this the actual GoPro ones, because they're so expensive in comparisons to purchasing these. And I don't suggest this for people to purchase these, especially if you're under warranty with your GoPro. It's just the way that I use my GoPro. I'd really beat up the batteries, and I find it easier just to replace them than to buy the latest and greatest and do the warranty. I don't think it's fair that with the way I use it, that the company has to pay for it. So it's just my view, the way I feel about it. This is the charger. Again, so don't use this if, you know, I'm taking the chance on, I have no subscription with GoPro, no warranty, no nothing. And I wouldn't use these if I did. Because the because these batteries, you know, go bad, the non-name ones. But it's my choice again. I keep the chargers and I use them. I don't know how many of those things I have. The USB-C that it comes with is about that long. So this is going to be a look at. I've used this brand of batteries. They come in 3, and I have the GoPro 12. So this is just a look at and my unprofessional review, which is they just work. I use them until they don't work anymore, then I get new ones. So it's totally up to you. I'm not saying that this brand doesn't, but a lot of the no-name brands, they don't last as long as the real batteries. So it's a pack of 3 with the charger. Nothing else in the box. Oh, this little piece of paper. Let me just do my thumbnail shot very quickly. Right, let me see if the charger I have here is strong enough to charge this. Nope, I put them the wrong way. I had a feeling I did that. See the difference? And let me plug it in. Light went out. And the show is red, and it should turn green once it's done. All right, so this was just a look at the batteries I purchased for my GoPro 12. Again, you know, just at your own risk purchasing these batteries. It's at your own risk, okay? So be careful when using these non-GoPro batteries. Not saying they're not as good, but you know, they're not GoPro, that's for sure. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Bye now.